Paul Pasolga, Ivy Masters Learning Center and IvyMasters.com, and today we're going to look at the 23rd question from Digital SAT, Test 3, Module 1. Number 23 reads, which choice completes the text most logical transition? When it asks you about the most logical transition, you want to determine whether what comes before and after shows similarity or difference. Usually get rid of half the answer choices that way. And then we want to get more specific. Let's go to the passage. Every chemical compound has a spectroscopic fingerprint, a pattern of reflected light unique to that compound. Upon analyzing the light reflected by the bright regions on the surface of the dwarf planet Ceres, Maria Cristina de Sanctis of Rome's National Institute of Astrophysics was able to determine that the regions contain large amounts of the compound sodium carbonate. So, does it show similarity or difference? It shows similarity. Regardless is going to show difference. All three of these could show similarity. So now what? Now, it's a good idea if you could predict what the blank is going to be. So, using this information, or because this is a thing, or something like that, and then it says that, based on this information, you're able... Maria Cristina de Sanctis was able to do that. So let's go to the answer choices. Meanwhile would mean that two things are happening at the same time. That doesn't make sense because before is just a statement of fact, and then you've got something happening after. That's gone. Thus, thus is like for this reason. Yeah, for this reason, if every chemical compound has spectroscopic fingerprint, for this reason, she's able to know that the dwarf planet Ceres has lots of sodium carbonate on it. That looks good. Answer is D, in comparison. Again, we're not going to have in comparison because we've got a general statement in the first 2.5 lines, and then we're not comparing that to her discovery. That's not going to be right. So answer choice C is your correct answer. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, click like. You could share it with someone who has difficulty with these transitions or conjunction questions. If there's any question you'd like to answer from any official PSAT or SAT or ACT, leave that in the comments. I'd be happy to shoot a video for it. To see the short video, go to YouTube, Ivy Masters Learning Center, go to the playlist, and the shorter videos are just below these longer videos. And make sure you click subscribe and check out this other video on transitions as well. Have a great day.